Check it out. I got a 2003 Mitsubishi Outlander with a check engine light P0130 and a P0135 for the upstream oxygen sensor. Take a look. We've got a brand new cat converter there. They reused the downstream sensor. Where is it? There it is. There's the downstream sensor they reused. New cat. But here's the problem, is that right there is supposed to be the wiring and the connector for the upstream sensor. So it would appear that somebody stole the cat converter off of this car, tore the wiring off, and then somebody probably charged to repair this and did not repair the wiring. Also, what they did was they cut out this portion of the pipe where the sensor would go. So now all of this needs to be replaced again.